Hello everyone, I am James and you are watching Good Times Tech YouTube channel. Today let's see how to connect Huawei TWS Bluetooth speakers in a stereo mode to an Samsung Galaxy A53 5G smartphone. For connecting, first of all, you take one of the speakers, press and hold the power key. Okay, now the speaker is on and it is in pairing mode. So now here you can see I had kept the Bluetooth on in my Samsung Galaxy smartphone, so it is asking for pairing a Bluetooth, so I'll click on pair. Okay, now the Bluetooth speaker is paired. Now I need to connect this speaker in a stereo mode to another speaker that is here, left and right. Okay, now first of all what I'll do, I'll play this in a single speaker mode, then we will connect it to stereo. Only the right speaker is playing. Now I'll connect one more speaker. Just turn this on. It's on. Just click 2 times. Now both the speakers are on. Hope this video was helpful for you in pairing. Huawei TWS Bluetooth speakers with your Samsung Galaxy A53 5G smartphone. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.